guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like a spark edge outline to your cutout videos, or just like your only like the body. So you're going to go to effects and you're going to select body effects here, and then I am going to either type in spark edge. Hopefully they have it here. Oops, my mic is going down. They do have it. It is a pro feature though. I'm just going to grab it and I'm going to place it into the video like so. And as you can see, it only adds sparkle to the person. You can go to effects here and you can select the pencil button. You can adjust the atmosphere, the glow here, the range as well, the size, the speed, etc., etc. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!